Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today I'm going to be reviewing these. These are the TOZO HT3s, and normally I'd have a box for them, but I sort of unboxed them immediately on camera and then started wearing them and so on, and they've become my everyday carry kind of thing. I've got some smaller ones for when I'm out and about, but these are the ones that I will wear if it's going to be very loud or whatever. But yeah, the box got discarded without my knowledge. Because I was just too into them. I should have done the video quite some time ago. These were given to me by TOZO, but whenever they give me anything, the last things I've bought, I think, if I remember rightly, but whenever they give me something, they don't say anything about it. They just give it to me, and that's that. I don't have to say that I like it if I don't like it, etc. And I'm not being paid for any of this. These are all my own words. But I will tell you this, I really enjoy them. But I will do all the unboxing now, which I'd already done in the past, previous, whatever, and then I will talk you through all of the functions and stuff and why I like them so much. Before I get on though, I'd just like to thank Darren, my Patreon. Thank you so much, dude. You're still with us and you're still looking after us, and it's, you know, it just really is such a motivator to know that at least one person out there is, you know, needing and enjoying this enough, you know. But if you'd like to join him, all the links are in the description. But anyway, let's get on. Right. So here they are, and to be honest, they look really nice. I really like TOZO. That everything they've brought out so far has been stylish and worked really, really well. Like I said in the intro, I am not affiliated with these guys at all. They just send me their stuff out and they don't even tell me what to say or anything. They just say, have a look at this. And in fact, they haven't even asked for a review of this one. They've just sent them out to me, so I reviewed the last two. And like always, it's my own words, and if I don't like them, I will be telling you. Okay, so this is the TOZO HT3 Adaptive Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling Headphones. High-res audio, 40mm dynamic driver, spatial audio effect, TOZO AI for translation, voice chat and more, adaptive hybrid active noise cancelling, ENC noise cancelling. Let's try that again. ENC core noise cancellation, TOZO app with preset EQ and more features. Now, I'm one of these people who are like, oh, why download an app? They're rubbish. There's no point, so on and so on. And I didn't download the TOZO app for the first one, and then I only downloaded it after I'd done all my reviews and the video was up and done. But I thought, oh, I'll just have a quick look at it. And my God, I made such a mistake. There's so many different things. If I'm listening to a podcast, I press one button and the audio is so crisp for a podcast. But if I want some really nice music, I'll press another button and it changes the graphical equalizer and makes it perfect for music. It's a definite, you know, if it's going to be the same sort of app, I'll be downloading it for these. It's one of those things that actually makes a change. It's not just something to get your username and passwords and so on, you know. Multiple point connection and low latency mode. So yeah, I think we should have a look at these up close. The packaging is always so nice and clean and sort of not minimalist, but just what you need and no more kind of thing. Okay, we have Type-C charging and phono to phono. So we can actually have this without it, this plugged directly into whatever we're listening. Or we can have it obviously via Bluetooth. Okay, let's have a look. I like see, look at that. Like I say, they don't need any more packaging than what they've put on. That's absolutely all you need. Wow, these feel nice. They feel absolutely incredible. I don't like that. I'll tell you now, I do not like that orange. Wow, these feel really, really, absolutely beautiful, high quality. That I really like. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get them on charge like I do with everything, and then I'll try them out, and I'm really excited to try these out. Something I've talked about in a lot of my videos, the length of the charging wire. And if you've got a charging wire this long, the item tends to be rubbish. If the instructions tend to be really badly translated and extremely unhelpful, it tends to be a rubbish product. When you've got a decent length wire, you know you're on the right track. Okay, we've got a red indicator here, so they are charging. What else is in the box? We have some more bits of foam as packaging. We have the TOZO card with 24-hour support, etc. And like with all of their stuff, we have a quick start guide and then we have a full user guide. And the quick start guide just gets you up and running, tells you how to charge it, and then like a few button combinations, etc. But it's just really a simple, this is how you get it to be, you know, up and running and working. And then the user manual tends to be all of the button presses and all the information you need from there on, you know. So we've got the things you can do from the buttons are volume up, next song, volume down, previous song, play, pause, answer, hang up, reject, on off button, restore to factory settings, activate voice assistant, and low latency mode. That's just the buttons. Oh, and then we've got a single click NC button. So that just basically, you can just turn on and off the noise cancellation. And it does say each time the headphones are powered on, they will default to noise cancellation mode, which a lot of them do actually. Okay, then you've got the simple pairing, and then the app as well, which I will download in a minute, and we will have a look at the app. But all fairly straightforward, and you know, all the sort of thing that you get used to after a time. With all of their button features, they always tend to be the best, most ergonomic way of doing it. And most headphones that I wear, I will play, pause, and answer, and possibly turn up and down the volume. But that's all I tend to learn. But with the last pair of the TOZO headphones I've got, I learnt all of the things. And in fact, I'm actually wearing them at the moment. But yeah, I got used to all of the buttons because they're just so intuitive. Okay, so they took about half an hour to charge, but obviously they'd already had a large chunk of charging done already. But I always like to fully charge everything that I'm reviewing just to make sure. Okay, so we got buttons here. This one's got a circle, plus, minus, and then we got NC for noise cancellation. Any other buttons? Nope. Okay, so I assume this one will be on. So let's try that. Okay. Now, let's connect it to my phone. Now that's the exact same sounds that their speaker produces. And it's already connected. That simple. This is the speaker that I reviewed recently, well, a while back on the channel. And my son's bought one because they just work so damn well. This thing is so loud that I am quite excited by these, because look at the form factor. This thing here is almost too loud. My wife won't let me have it on full blast because it's too loud. These are going to be extremely good quality sound and very loud, I can almost guarantee it. Let's start off by doing the ritualistic finding some non-copyright music. So that you don't think for some reason I'm using the speaker. I'll move the speaker in a sec once I'm playing it, but obviously it's not through the speaker, because obviously you'll be able to hear the sound moving.
Where do I begin? The fear of what's uncertain. The unknown feels like home.
The sound is insane.
Every step I'm finding a place I've never known. Let's go where no one has ever been. The countries we've
The sound is incredible. Right, okay, that is incredibly loud, and the sound quality, even without me wearing it right now, is absolutely brilliant. So I'm going to go away, and I'm going to review them over the next couple of weeks, and I'll tell you all of the good, the bad, and the ugly, and I'll be back very soon. Well, for you, immediately. So I think I made it quite clear. I quite like these. You know, I have almost non-stop had these on. I'm one of these people who normally get a very, very hot ear if I wear the kind of padded ones. I've got another pair over there that I bought a long, long time ago that are padded, and they just got my head too hot, so I very, very rarely wear them. And I thought the same was going to be with these, and I put them on, and I was like, oh, they're a bit warm. And then after a little while, it was like, they're not hot anymore at all. Like they're very, very comfortable, and they weren't heating my head up at all. So I thought, oh well, maybe I've just over exaggerated the problem, and if I just put any of these types on, I would have been the same. So I took the ones from over here. One moment, these ones, which I bought. I think I bought these from somewhere like TK Maxx. They're about £15. For the ones that looked like the, oh, it doesn't matter. Anyway, they are good. The sound quality is good. They're all right. They're an all right all-rounder. But I put them on, and literally within about 5 minutes, they were too hot for me, and I had to take them off. So there's definitely something about the material in these that make these not as hot, if that makes sense. So that was one of my genuine concerns and one of my genuine problems. But there's a lot of things with these that I love. The portability, the way they fold up completely, the way that you've got a huge amount of size range. There's just so much, and the microphone on this is probably one of the best headphone microphones I've used. I've spoken to people over the phone with these, and they've had no idea I'm speaking in any way hands-free. Even with my more expensive actual headphones for meetings and so on, they can tell if I'm speaking on that, but these were, no one noticed I had headphones on at all. So that was extremely good. They lay flat, which I think is really, really nice as well, which I quite liked whenever I put them. Basically, I've 3D printed a hanger, so when I'm hanging them on the wall, they lie flat against the wall, which is really, really good. But the one other thing that I really liked was the app that comes with it. I haven't got any recording of the app, but with the TOZO apps, they're always very, very good. The graphic equalizers work very well, so if you want to listen to music, you click on one. If you want to listen to sort of audio, you click on another. But these have 360 spatial audio, so if you're, let's say, playing a game and someone's moving behind you, you hear them behind you. It's very, very good, and it's very accurate. And me and my daughter were playing a Minecraft horror mod the other day, and I won't be using these headphones ever again for that. The fear was so much more intense because I could hear them around me and so on. It's not something I'll do again. I'll go back to just listening through the computer. But yeah, as I say, I've used these almost non-stop. The battery life is incredible. They boast 90 hours, and I can't disagree with that. I haven't done an actual test, but I've only charged them once in about 2 weeks, and I've used them quite consistently. I've been quite busy with other things, so I can't 100% tell you how many hours I was listening. But normally I've got headphones in all the time. But this week and last week were a little bit more busy than usual. But comfort and sound is beyond anything. I will say, if you put these up full blast and have the audio on full blast, whatever you're listening to, be careful, because these are so loud. You will probably end up doing yourself a disservice. But as I say, they are so comfortable that then my new everyday carry in loud environments, buses, trains, anything like that. I used them the other day while using my sander, and they were loud enough to be able to listen to my audiobook and have the sander on. So that should show you the amount of, sound cancellation they've got. The transparency mode on them is absolutely epic as well. It's very, very good. You put them on and you can't really hear much at all. Press transparency and you're fine. You can hear people talking in another room without any problem. They're very, very good. If you are in the market for some new headphones, and these are within your price bracket, then I would highly recommend them. If I can get some sort of discount code or whatever, I'll put it up here. If I can't, I can't, and I do apologise. But as I say, they are absolutely incredible. I really, really like them. This is my genuine thumbs up. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks again to you, Darren, for being the Patreon. I really appreciate you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.